Afternoon guys, how you doing? Hope you're all doing fantastic well. So today I've come to Hebden Bridge, which is one of my favourite places when you come to Yorkshire. So I'm coming for the afternoon to check out what's changed from 2025. Also I want to give you an update too of my future travel plans as well. I did a bit of a quiz on my community tab asking you a lot where I will be going for my next destination, so I give you some more multiple answers, and some of you may know already, some of you may not, but I can confirm now that I'm going to Valencia. So at the time of making this video, I will be going there in a couple of weeks. And also guys, I'd like to announce that I'll be heading to China in November this year for 5 nights. So we'll be checking out Beijing, we'll be going to Shanghai as well, and then I'm heading to Thailand as well. So I've got 4 or 5 nights in China, heading to Thailand. We're going to go to a place called Koh Samet, then we're going to go to Bansaway, we're going to go to Bangkok as well. Anyway, I'm in Hebden Bridge right now, so let's go and check it out. So we're in Hebden Bridge now, we're going to check out this area. And if you come down here guys, you always find some sort of live performances here, and I believe there's a performance happening right now as we speak. But you got all your retail shops along here, eatery places and all that, and as we speak right now, you've got a busker there too. So this is taking place outside the Shoulder of Mutton pub right here. Cool little area to hang out to. Nice little performance there. So absolutely packed along this section here at the moment, as you can see here. And of me recording this video too, England are playing Norway tonight at 10 o'clock. On the day of me recording this video too, by the way. Hoping for a good result tonight for England, of course. But we should know after I post this, won't we? And just like that, we now have got the bagpipes coming down right here too. Right time, right place. So we may as well stay here for a few minutes and check this out as well. Congratulations to whoever day it is. How nice. How awesome was that, guys? I saw a really good busker just then we just saw that just now. Perfect fitting for the start of this video. So this is Hebden Bridge Mill. Along the side here you got the Mill Bar, Innovation Cafe along here too. You got this pub here, busy with punters, as expected today. But let me show you the river here, by the way, along this side here, or the view from this bridge. So you got the river from this side here. And you got the view of that too. And also, by the way too, there was a BBC TV crime series that was filmed here too, by the way, called Happy Valley, I think it was, if I'm not mistaken. Right, let's go walk down here now, check it out, see if there's any changes from 2025. You got a retail shop on the left here called Limited Boutique. If you love your sandwiches, you've got really good sandwiches on the left here too. And you've also got another pub here on the left here too called the White Swan. We just recently had a bit of a heat wave in the UK recently too, by the way. So today been really hot, and whenever there's a heat wave it always seems to bring stacks of people out, doesn't it? But here in Hebden Bridge it's not been too bad here. Little bit of a breeze, which is good too, but in some places it's really hot, by the way. You've got a really cool place here on the left here. I do all your cocktails and pizzas. I've been told this is a good place, by the way, on the left here too. And this leads to the main road here in Hebden Bridge. You've got the Bay Tree place on the left here too. And we've come to the main road here now. There we are. You've got all your retail shops along this section here. And if I cross the road here quickly, you've got Max the jeweller shop along here too. And there's always a demonstration going on, isn't there, wherever you go around in towns and cities around the UK these days, isn't there? And you've got the green spaces along here too. So this is the famous area of Hebden Dry Dock here. Really nice view here. If you go down there you can go for a nice little walk down there too, by the way, which I may do later. But just be careful when you come here because of all the droppings here, as you can see on the ground here, so just be aware of that. But a nice little spot here. And you've also got a couple of pubs along here too, by the way. So you've got a pub down there, there's another pub down there too. You've got the Wellway pub right there. And if you want any Thai food, you've got a Thai restaurant on this side here too, by the way. But it's a nice little area to chill out and hang out in this area of Hebden Bridge here. So cool with all the boats here, by the way. And did you know too that Ed Sheeran used to live here many moons ago, by the way, here, before they relocated down south in 1995, I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, according to Google. But yeah, really nice area this of Hebden. Cheers guys, from the All Mill Cafe, I think it is. It's the cafe where it's by the riverside here. So if you come here, you've got to see the windmill. It's the first time they've got it working in 2 years, by the way. And also you can sit on the terrace as well, where you can sit outside where you face the river. By the way, this has cost me £4, but that's the price you're going to pay when you come to these kind of places. It's only for a bottle, by the way, but you know, it's absolutely boiling hot now. Cheers guys. So here's that windmill I was telling you about. How cool is that? And that's where I'm sat, by the way. Really cool place here, guys, honestly. And I love the fact that I've got this working after 2 years. So now we're just going to go for a little stroll along the river here at Hebden Bridge here. after showing you guys the town centre. So I've just started my walk here, and already I've had young lads shout to me, England, for tonight's game against Norway with their beers. So they're starting early, and they'll probably be drunk tonight as well, by the way. I saw a couple of guys, 2 cases of Budweiser, so no wonder tonight will be absolutely blind drunk. But we've got a boat coming in here, and it's just nice to get a bit of peace and quiet from the town centre of Hebden Bridge and to check out all these cool boats here. Really cool. All for that taste of Taylor's. How cool these boats here, honestly. All the greenery on here. It's beautiful here, honestly. It's a nice little walk here, peace and quiet. And check on this bridge here too, by the way. So my total bill at that cafe that I just went to, it cost me about £8, by the way. And here's a picture of the place that I just went to. Cool cafe in there. Staff are really polite in there too, by the way. Thank you. And well worth checking out, guys. You know, it's good to see the old mill working in there again after 2 years. So if you a fan of stuff like that, go check the cafe out. And on the wall in the cafe there too is a little history of the old mill itself. So when you go in there, it's sit inside and have a look at the wall. Well worth a read for sure. I'm not a historian, so I can't really explain things on top of my head, but that is worth looking at. And here we are in the open green spaces of Hebden Bridge here. Been wondering all day about this place, which is always busy for ice creams at this place here, because the line was absolutely massive. It's only now where it's just calmed down a little bit. So I'm trying the salty caramel ice cream. This costs £3.30, which comes in the cone ice, by the way, so let's give it a taste. Absolutely delicious, well worth trying out, and I can see why people like to go there. Really good. Really nice. 9 out of 10, well worth checking out. So that is an ice cream place there, by the way, guys, that you must check out if you come along here. It's right on the corner there, next to opposite the fish and chip shop here. All your retail shops are on this side here, by the way, and if you come down here too, it will lead to the market now. But however, market's about to shut very shortly. It's coming to 5 o'clock now, and a lot of the places here, well, retail wise, are starting to shut. So hope you've enjoyed today at Hebden Bridge. But just before we go, check out this here with the clock here and that little bridge across there. How cool is that? Yeah, one of my favourite places is Hebden Bridge. Very chilled out. It's been busy here today though. Convenience store there if you want to get any drinks or anything, or if you want a pizza, you got Woody's Pizza on the left here. And if you go on the left there, it will take you into the main square of Hebden Bridge. But there you go, little view there of the green with the trees there. Absolutely beautiful. So that is about from Hebden Bridge. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Really cool place is Hebden Bridge. The vibe here, the friendly people, and just the scene we're here. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed that cafe night too, with that windmill, working after 2 years, trying the amazing ice cream. So now I can see what the fuss is all about now with that big queue. So if you come here during busy times, might be a bit frustrating for you to wait in the long line, but it's well worth it for the ice cream. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on the way to Valencia on the next video.